Welcome, today I'm with Bose SoundSport 3 earphones and I will show you how you can connect them with your Android smartphone. Of course, we got two ways. The first one, you can make it by using the Bluetooth settings, just like that. But honestly, it's not the best option because you will lose a lot of features that you can find in this device. So the best way to connect them is to open the Play Store and get the application Bose Connect, this one. So let's install this application. At the first, right now we can open this app, and at this time you have to grab your Bose earphones, remove them from the case. Of course, you have to remember to charge them before pairing. And when you make it, they will blink. These indicators will blink on the blue. It means that they are in the pairing mode. And right now we have to accept here all this stuff. You can connect to your account. You can sign in or you can create a new account. But honestly, I'm going to skip this option. Accept permission. And after a few moments, we will get our Bose earphones right here. So just wait, and there it is. You can see we can find also here the second device. It's the headphones of my friend, but of course we are going to focus on our earbuds, so you have to drag like that to let them connect. Accept pairing, click pair. And as you can see, right now we are connected. We can allow notifications, we can get the quick update, and here we got more options. But basically, right now we are connected. So as you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.